I've always thought I am a bizarre person.
I don't think many people will understand. I can have a competition on just Microsoft Excel.
They're representing their country on a stage that thousands of other students did not qualify for.
The tech sector run the world now, so we need champions like these young people promoted and represented.
Imagine, I could be like a YouTuber and an Excel winner.
This year's tests are definitely the most challenging ones we've ever developed.
Just don't royally mess up.
Everyone, they really want to get this first place prize.
I think everyone is good, but I am better.
Our world champion goes to